Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can accurately transcribe speech from audio or video content into text or subtitle using ElevenLabs. Now, let's open ElevenLabs.io. And you might log in with your own account. Now, I highly recommend that you have the paid version of this platform because it will give you more credits, and that is very useful if you have a very long audio or video content. Now, let's continue. Click speech to text, and you can click transcribe files, and then you can just upload the audio or video files. And remember, the limitations are the content or the file size is not more than 1000 megabytes or close to 1 gigabyte, and also it is no more than 10 hours long. Okay, let me just upload a video. This is just a clip of a conversation or dialogue between Joe Rogan and Jensen Huang. So that's the video. Now you can select the primary language or the content. Now in this case, I'll just use the automatic detection feature. And I do recommend to enable tag audio events. So basically, AI will give some description about what's happening in the content that is not speech, like someone laughing or crying or maybe footsteps, etc. So that is very useful for anyone who wants to enjoy the content without actually listening to the audio, so they can just read the transcription or description from AI. And after that, I'm going to enable subtitles because I want to download the content or the text as a subtitle file. And down here, there is a feature called key terms. So basically, you can include some names or brand names or any other terms that might not be recognized by this AI model. Now, actually, Version 2 is pretty good at doing that, but if you want to make sure that certain names are being recognized well by the transcription process, then you can write it down here. Now in this case, I'll just skip it and I'll just click upload files. So just wait for the audio or video file to be uploaded, and after that, instantly the AI model will kick in and it will start transcribing the content or transcribing the speech from the video or audio content. Now at the moment, when I'm recording this video, the latest model that is available in ElevenLabs is Scribe version 2. It is actually pretty good. I have playing around with this model and I find it to be pretty accurate. It is even able to understand different accents, and also it understands brand names or names that are often not being recognized by other AI models. So apparently, according to their own benchmark, Scribe 2 is better than GPT, Gemini, and even DeepGram Nova. So I would say this is one of the best models if you want to transcribe speech from video or audio content. Now, there you go. So the audio or the video in this case has been transcribed. You can open it and you can check the transcription. So this is the transcription, and you can actually play around. You can change the duration of each transcription. And here is the subtitle preview of the content. Now, let me just play the first maybe 10 seconds of the video, and later I'll show you how you can download this as a standard subtitle format. So let me just play the video. Okay.
The Joe Rogan experience
was the first time we spoke at SpaceX.
SpaceX
is the first time. When you were giving Elon that crazy AI chip.
Right, DGX Spark.
Yeah, ooh, that was a big moment.
Okay, so I was actually blown away by the fact that it understands this term. This is actually a product, and usually most AI tools cannot understand this, but it is able to understand this very new product. So that's pretty cool. Usually AI models are several months or years old behind, but this is a very new product. It's just a few months old. So it's just amazing that it is understanding the understanding of the world knowledge is quite up to date. Now, if you want to download this as a subtitle format, you can click export and then select either SRT or VTT, or perhaps you can use other formats. But let me try using SRT because there is a format that you can use on platforms like, for example, YouTube. And after that, you'll get a file that looks like this. And again, if you want to upload this to YouTube, you can use this format. This will be recognized by YouTube as a legit subtitle file. So that's basically how you can accurately and easily transcribe speech from audio or video content with the latest and greatest model from ElevenLabs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.